Hello and welcome all to our channel. Today we will attempt the assessment for lessons 1, 2 and 3 from the English book 5 of the SCERT. Once again, the name of the chapters 1, 2, 3 are Opening Day, The Lion King and Flying Together. So this assessment is based on these 3 chapters. Yashita, are you ready for the assessment?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so the first part is about answering a few questions given here. I will read the questions and Yashita will help us with the answers. So Yashita, first question is, who is rushing to school?
The boy is rushing to school.
Second question is, why is the boy glad?
The boy is glad because he has everything new.
Next question, how did the hill tribes look upon the forest?
The hill tribes looked upon and worshipped the forest as God.
Next question, who were responsible for the destruction of the forest?
The hill tribes, the civilized people were responsible for the destruction of the forest.
Alright, next question is, where did the geese live?
The geese lived in a tree.
Okay, I think we have the last question. It says, what did the hunter do to trap the geese?
The hunter spread a net on the tree to trap the geese.
Thank you. Here we end the question answers. Now we move on to the next part, that is asking us to write 4 words related to the given words. The first given word is forest.
Related to the forest are birds, animals, trees, and bushes.
Second word is zoo.
Animals, ponds, visitors, and gardens.
Great. Okay, now we move on to the third part of the assessment. Now this is asking us to write a short paragraph on the topic of a visit to a zoo. Yashita will help us with the paragraph.
Last Sunday, I went to visit the city zoo with my parents. I used the city metro to reach the zoo. After reaching the place, my father bought tickets to enter. There was a big gate and boards that had pictures of birds and animals. Close to the entry, there was a big pond where I saw hippopotamus. Next, we moved to a big arena where I saw 2 lions who were resting at that time. I saw a big group of people who were teasing animals. After some time, a zoo official came and asked them to not do such activity. We moved on to see a big animal eating leaves from a tree. To our surprise, it was a giraffe. Moving on, We saw a lot of wild animals such as zebra, bear, leopard, rhinoceros, crocodiles, deers, etc. And birds such as parrots, swan, emu, cocktail,
It's cockatiel.
cockatiel, etc. By now, it was already lunch time and we were hungry. We all sat in a garden full of flowers and ate our lunch together. This is how we completed our visit to the city zoo. We went back home happy. It was fantastic experience for me and I learned a lot.
Great. All right. It was a good visit to the zoo. Okay. Now we will move on to the next part. That is about making our own sentences using the given words. So the first sentence is pray.
We pray every morning in the school.
Tree.
I saw a tree that was full of birds sitting in it.
Glad.
I was so glad when my mother gifted me a pretty doll on my birthday.
Climb.
Squirrel can climb the tree very fast.
Right. Okay. We'll move on to the next part, question 5. And that is asking us to fill in these blanks with suitable prepositions. Now, prepositions actually describe the relation between the two things. First, can you read the lines?
First is my birthday falls on June 10. Second is Christmas always comes in December. Next one is hang this picture on the front wall. And the last one is the frog jumped in the pond.
Great. Okay. So this is how we finish our assessment part for first 3 chapters. We will soon come with the next video where we will discuss the assessment for chapters 4, 5 and 6. Thank you very much for watching our video. You have a good time and take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.